Alright guys, this should be the easiest video so far in the series. We're just going to make this piece down here. So I'm going to grab this object and clone this face with Shift D. I'm going to move it up and scale it up and extrude it forward. And then 3Z. And why don't we grab that whole object with Control L and P to separate selection. Tab into object mode, grab the new object, and slash on the numpad to isolate that. And my plan here is just to create the general shape and then bevel the edges. Alright, so this edge needs to be beveled. Now slash to unhide everything. I think this needs to come forward. And then just take the whole thing and smooth it. And there you go. Super easy. Alright. Now, if you're wondering about this sort of gap looking thing here, I don't think that's actually modeled into the geometry. I think that's part of the texture. You could very easily do that with a simple diffuse and normal map and maybe some ambient occlusion. So I don't think that we need to model that, and I don't think that you would want to model that. So we're going to skip that part, and I guess that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you next time.